Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your dish TV stuck on demand. Also, how can you exit the app and internet troubleshooting steps. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Force exit using remote key combinations. Press the home button on your dish remote control twice in rapid succession to force the main menu interface to override the frozen screen. Hold down the power button on the front panel of your physical receiver for exactly 10 seconds to trigger a hard software reboot without wiping settings. Tap the back or cancel button multiple times if you are stuck inside the specific rental submenu. Fix 2. Perform a hard power reset. Unplug the electrical power cord of your dishwasher directly from the wall outlet or surge protector. Leave the unit completely disconnected from the electricity for at least 60 seconds to clear the system's temporarily flash cache. Plug the power cord back in and allow for 5 to 7 minutes for the receiver to acquire satellite signals and reload the guide. Fix 3. Reset your internet router and broadband connection. Disconnect the power adapter from your home internet router and modem to clear packet routing bottlenecks that freeze video on demand apps. Wait for 30 seconds before plugging your network hardware back into the power source. Allow your home internet connection to come fully back online before attempting to launch any broadband dependent features on your TV. Fix 4. Run a diagnostic network test. Press the home button on your remote control twice and navigate to settings. Select the internet tile, then click on wireless setup or network setup. Select test connection to ensure your dish receiver is successfully pulling an active broadband signal rather than timing out. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.